9th, 2016. Here I am at the CES show in Las Vegas, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how to turn a kid into a genius, into a software programmer, into an engineer, into a builder. And this is basically a robot kit, and this kit contains, it says think, sense, act, build and connect. With this kit you can make a car, you can make a robot, you can make R2D2, you can teach a kid programming. There is the programming that comes with it, which is basically Castle Rock programming, and these kids will teach a kid C++. In the classroom now, nobody reads manuals, they want to do things, and to do things, when they open this kit, they get these wires, the actuators, the servo motors, the wheels, the pulleys, the hardware, the lights, the LED, the screws, the bolts, everything. If you give it to a kid, he will start trying to make a kit. It can be a robot, it can be a car, it can be a animal, it can be one of these loaders, actuators, everything that a kid needs to learn how to become an engineer or a software guru. The box, this is an open box here, and this is how the stuff comes in. This is the control board. Basically it's like a computer, it controls everything in there. Then here are the screws, nuts, bolts in it, everything comes in it, the wires, the actuators, the connectors, the LED lights, the hardware, all of this comes in this box that I showed you there. It's a complete kit. So if the school district has these kits given to a 6th, 7th, 8th grade kid, the kid will start making it, and they will have questions on the software. How does the software work? What is C++? All of this thing is available today in a box, ready to go from us to the kid to the classroom. Basically, we are working to build the future software, hardware entrepreneurs of the world. This is what it is. If you have any questions, you can send me an email, you can call me, we can talk, and you can buy it today. It is available, ready, and this is a robot that is making it stand. The robot does not like girls, so he is not standing up, but he has done wonders with it. And Olivia is one of the experts. She went to which university? She went to Columbia. We have experts from Stanford and Columbia who got together, educationists, teachers, scientists. We got them together and they have built up a complete package for students, and it can be given as a gift at Christmas or any time that you want. So please, if you want your kids to become geniuses, here it is. Here is the complete package ready to go. You can go on the website, you can order it from the website, you can call us, we can help you. Thank you.